So hello and welcome all of you to my new video, and in this video I am going to show you how I build the entire blogging website with just a prompt using Codex 5.4. So first I told my entire idea to Claude and told it to give me prompt, but when I started recording some error occurred or whatever, the prompt is not visible, but I have already pasted in my notepad, so I am going to copy that and paste in Codex, and Codex will start writing the code for the project, while in the meantime I will do my important work, which is doom scrolling. So my doom scrolling is done. So does the project. Yes, it took 1 hour and 7 minutes to finish the work, but it is done without any intervention, so just going thorough readme file and verifying everything. All looks good, so let's open the terminal and run the command npm run dev to start the server. So the server is started and I have opened it in Chrome browser, and let me go through it. In first look, everything looks good, like the UI and all. There are few errors which can easily be fixed by telling Codex about the error, and like the theme button is also not working, but rest of things looks good and everything is fine, like the hover effect, the blogging website feel, and there are few default article to show how the article will be visible to user. There are all separate sections also for different categories of news like cybersecurity, AI or ML, jobs and few more. So I guess this is it for this video, and I will make another video how I actually ranked my website in Google and places ad in my blogging website. So like, share and subscribe the channel for further updates.